Speak this before you leave your house today. Today, I walk in restoration. What was delayed will not be denied. Every place I lost strength, God restores my strength. Every place I lost peace, God restores my peace. Every place I felt forgotten, God restores my purpose. Doors that closed in confusion will reopen with clarity. What the enemy tried to steal, God will restore with increase. I will not walk in yesterday's loss. I walk in today's restoration. God is restoring what belongs to me. If you believe God is restoring your life, type "restore" and follow Zinny African Tale Gospel for daily declarations of faith.